Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the bed, utility package, mobile office package, and the tow and haul package. And taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, dual rear hooks with rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, a lovely Pro Access tailgate, allows you to have easier access to your bed with the lovely spray-in bed liner. Got some outlets here as well, with lights that you turn on or off, hooks and doodads, hold your gear down, measurements on your gate, and it is powered so it will go up and down automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side. Blind spot detection, turn lane spotlight indicated, side view camera, and moving to the front, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with yellow accents, Tremor logo stitched onto the leathering, plenty of door space up front, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders, heated back seats with rear vents, USB-Cs, and 120 volt. You can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, upgraded B&O sound system, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking ring, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 16 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometer, my view, trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To remember, we got our gear select, those collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Center console that does turn into an interior work surface, perfect for food, laptops, paperwork, all that jazz. Tons of storage underneath. We have our rear locking diff, dry modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate, heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt and 120 storage above, below, and on the dash with 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We have our auto stop auto start, trail control, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. 360 view of the vehicle, hazard traction. We got our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Phone controls, navigation, settings, features, or search recents and saved. Oh my. You can have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email. You do get Pro Power on board with this vehicle, which is like a little generator in your vehicle. Trailer turn, power tailgate. Any apps you may download will also show up right here with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA47958, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.